Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews doing another video today. And yes, today's video, I'm going to unbox this Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Xperia XA2 Ultra from Sony. I picked this up from Amazon for $449. Best Buy is selling it for the same price of $449. At Best Buy, it's not available in stores yet. Hopefully they get them in next week or the week after that. So in this video, I'm going to just do a quick unboxing, see what's in the box, go over the phone, go over the specs really quick, and then also do the first initial setup. And then later on, tomorrow or something, I'll probably come back with like a 24-hour first impression video. I'm going to do some comparisons, some speaker challenges, a gaming challenge also, see if this phone can handle games. But that's enough for me yapping. Let's see what you actually get in the box itself. Bumpy cam. Look at the presentation. Nice little presentation from Sony. Yes, I kind of opened the box already. But here are some of the specs. You can pause the video if you want to read them, but I'm going to go over them in a little bit. Oh, okay, here's the phone. Man, that phone is big. It is definitely big. I'm going to put that on the side. Let's see what else you get in the box. A bunch of books. Ladies and gentlemen, I know we don't read these books. You really don't. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to put them back in there. You have your charging cable. Yes, it's Type-C. Shout out to Sony for upgrading to Type-C. Appreciate that. Here's your charging brick. Sony little branding there. If you want to pause the video and read that too, you can. It is Quick Charge 3.0 on the phone. So that's what you get in the box. No headphones. I don't expect it, but that's okay. So here's why we, watching the video itself. Here's the phone. Man, look, my hands are not that small. And you can see the size of the phone. I'm going to do some comparison later on. Let's see if it has some juice. While the phone is starting up, let's go over the specs really quick. You can tell 6-inch display. It's actually a full HD 1080p display. No 2K display on this phone, but it is 16:9. Sony hasn't adapted the 18:9 ratio. What y'all think about that? Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel. It does have a 23 megapixel camera in the rear. On the front, it has dual cameras. It has a 16 megapixel camera with OIS. Shout out to them for that. Also, it has an 8 megapixel camera. But this is the thing. Leo from Android Stud would actually love this phone. It has a 120 wide angle lens. So the 8 megapixel has the wide angle on there. It also has Android 8.0 straight out the box. Not 8.1, but 8.0. Comes with a nano SIM. It's running the Snapdragon 630 processor with 4 gigs of RAM with 32 gigs of storage. It does have a micro SD card where you can put up to 256 gigs. So, hey, to me, 32 plus the memory card, that should be great. Could it come with 64? Yes, it could have. But 4 gigs of RAM for this phone should be also good. The battery is 3580 milliamp hour battery, so that's a pretty decent battery. I guess we're going to see how it does with charging and everything else. So you can see the phone is about to set up now. So let's go over the phone really quick before I do this initial setup. But here's the cameras itself, 16 and then the 8 megapixel camera. You see a little branding there. It also has a smart flash for the front cameras. Then at the bottom, look, it has more bezel. Chin at the bottom, forehead at the top. On this side, you have your SIM card. Let's see if I can actually do that. Look, you can pop it out. You don't have a... See, there you go. Bam. Put that back in really quick. So on this side, you have your power button and then your volume rockers up and down. Then on the back, yes, you have your 23 megapixel camera with the flash, a little logo there too. What is that? On a Sony phone. Yes, that is a fingerprint scanner, y'all. For the first time in the US, it has a fingerprint scanner. little branding there. Tells you what to do as far as charging. That's pretty cool. At the bottom, you can see your speaker, your USB Type-C, and there's a microphone too. At the top, look at that too. It does have a headphone jack and then also a microphone at the top. Man, the phone, it's not too heavy, but I mean, look, it's a big phone. So let's set this up really quick. Get started. Yes, I accept all of it. I'm gonna do why no. I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna come back and do set up as new. Look, it has 5G capabilities. I'm gonna put my passcode in here. All right, so it's setting up the Wi-Fi. It's connecting, checking for updates. All right, I'm also gonna sign into it. Yeah, I don't think y'all want to know my email. I have enough spam. Okay, everyone. So yes, I had to set up the email. The video stopped recording because I hit the 6-minute mark with my HTC U11. But this is the part I wanted to show y'all anyway. You can add your fingerprint. Let's see how fast it goes. I don't know. Let's do this pattern now. I might change it up, but that's not what I'm here for. Let's see. Before you start, hold your device in a normal way. Clean your finger and the sensor. Okay. Alright, so let's start this up. Let's see if I can get this on camera. What do y'all think? That was pretty quick. So I'm going to try to see if I can do the same finger over. Because, you know. Hey, it actually let you do it more than once. That is great. I like that idea because in case, you know, you move it around, you might not have it in a perfect spot. I'm going to agree to all this. I'm going to skip this. I want to see how fast. I'm going to skip all this too. I just want to see how fast the fingerprint scanner is. All set. Alright, so it's finishing the touches. Okay, so let's check out the fingerprint. Let's see how quick it is. And then I will go ahead and do some comparisons. Alright, so it's off. I just touched it. What do y'all think? It's actually pretty quick. Man, what y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments. That seemed like it worked pretty quick. I didn't have any problems finding it. But the last thing I want to do is some comparisons really quick with the phones. I normally do that. Let me bust out my Galaxy Note 8 really quick. Alright, so here we go. We have the Note 8. We have the Sony. Man, look at that. It is almost as big as the Note 8 with a smaller screen. The XA2 Ultra is definitely wider. I mean, look, you can see that. So I told you this phone is big. Look, it can almost fit in there. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, so the next phone I have is my LG V30. I wish I could compare it to the the U11, but you know, I'm actually filming with this. Let's see. Look at that. It fits inside of the Sony phone itself. You can see how thick it is too. It's a lot thicker than the V30. Bam. Look at that too. Look at the bottom. So what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments. I'm going to come back with a video. Like I said, 24 hours impressions. I'm going to try to set this up the way I want it. Go all through the accounts. I'm going to do a speaker comparison. I'm going to do all kind of other videos with this phone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want more coverage on the XA2 Ultra from Sony, I will definitely be covering it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.